Hello everyone. I hope all are doing well and you all are preparing for your exams like competitive exams, board exams, etc. So first of all, welcome you all to this new journey. So in this journey, I will I will start from the basic. From basic, I will continue and definitely you can reach in a top position. Okay. I will take from basic to advanced level. So first of all, now I am focusing on the basic things in chemistry. So today I am going to start basic concept of chemistry. So today's topic is atomic mass and molecular mass. I hope all are familiar with these two words, that is atomic mass and molecular mass. Okay, let's see here, atomic mass and molecular mass you know already, but we will discuss from the basic. As I told you, let's see what is atomic mass. First of all, I would like to tell that for describing the atomic mass, two concepts are there. The first is old concept and another is modern concept. In ancient time, this old concept uh, was first created. Then after that, with the flow of time, the modern concept was created. Let's see what is old concept and what is modern concept. Why we need the modern concept? If the old concept was there, then why did we accept the modern concept? What is the advantages? What is the disadvantages? We will discuss all about this. Okay, let's see what is old concept. So by the help of this old concept, we will calculate the atomic mass. You can see here. Okay, have you seen any weighing machine? So in ancient time, we are using the weighing machine like this. You can see here two pictures of the ancient weighing machines are there. It is called, I think, vintage weighing machine. What do we do here? Let's suppose you are going to shop and you have to buy some potatoes, onions. So in ancient time, the shopkeeper weighed with the help of this weighing machine. So first of all, you can see here one, two, three, four, five, six. Six things are there, uh, whose measurement was already known. Okay, let's suppose this big thing whose measuring is 5 kg. Okay, 5 kg. Let's suppose it is 1 kg, and these two has the measuring of 200 gram. Okay, and let's see. You can see here. If let's suppose it is 500 gram. If you go to the shop, then you want to buy 1 kg of potatoes. So the shopkeeper will put this 1 kg of thing here also. Okay, here also 1 kg of stone, and he will put the potatoes like this. Okay, okay. Let's see here. One needle is there. Okay, when the stone measurement and the potatoes measurement will be equal, then the needle will be fixed in this straight position. If the a stone has more amount measure, like if it is a 1 kg, if you add 200 gram, 500 gram, then the needle will shift towards this also. Okay, if you put more amount from 1 kg, then the needed, let's suppose you add 1 kg 200, you don't know the measurement, but let's suppose, okay, 200 gram, then the needle move from this side because this side become heavier, okay. It is like this, okay. So why we are discussing about atomic mass? Why did we discuss about this measuring weighing machine, okay? Let's suppose when the shopkeeper measure the thing, then he required a reference thing by which it will be easy, okay, it will be easy to measure 1 kg of potato. So like this only we have to take one reference atom or one reference, okay. So in this concept the scientist took the mass of hydrogen as a reference, okay, mass of hydrogen as a reference. Let's see what is there also. Let's suppose you have oxygen atom, okay. It is oxygen is given for calculating its atomic mass. So what to do? First of all, you should know about the definition of old concept. According to old concept, what is atomic mass, okay. Atomic mass is nothing. Atomic mass is a mass number. Sorry, no, it is a number, okay. It is a number. According to all concept, we can write that. First of all, I will write, then after that I will explain it. Okay. According to the all concept, atomic mass is defined as a number which shows how many times an atom of an element is heavier than the mass of one hydrogen atom, okay. Let's go through this definition. According to all concept, the atomic mass of an atom of element is defined as the number. It means atomic mass is nothing. It is a number, okay, which shows, what shows, an atom of an element is heavier than the mass of one atom, okay. Here scientists compared the mass of hydrogen with the mass of that element whose mass is unknown. We have to find the mass of that element, okay, of that atom. So we can tell that how much an atom is heavier than one hydrogen atom, that is called atomic mass. Simply I can write the formula for the atomic mass is, I can write here, atomic mass is equal to mass of mass of the atom of element divided by mass of hydrogen atom. Let's take an example. Let's suppose we have to calculate the mass of oxygen. We know already that for calculating the atomic mass of oxygen, we have to know the mass of one oxygen atom, sorry, mass of one atom of oxygen element. Okay, so we know that mass of oxygen is what is 16 and the mass of hydrogen is 1. So for calculating the atomic mass of oxygen, we need mass of atom and mass of hydrogen. We know that mass of oxygen is 16 and the mass of hydrogen is 1. Then it will become 16. So 16 will be the atomic mass of oxygen. After that, we can calculate the atomic mass for every element. Okay, let's go to the modern concept. It was these are all about the old concept. Then next comes a modern concept. According to modern concept, it is equal to the old concept, but in the old concept we took mass of hydrogen as a reference, but in the modern concept we will take the mass of 1 by 12th, sorry, the 1 by 12th mass of carbon atom, 1 by 1 upon 12th mass of carbon atom. Okay, like all concept I can write here that atomic mass is a number which shows, so it is how many times, okay, not m, how many times, how many times an atom is heavier than the mass of, sorry, then 1 upon 12th mass of 12 carbon. It means carbon having the mass number 12. Then you told me that carbon, we know already that the mass of carbon is 12. Not guys. Carbon has an isotope, that is C13. Okay, and mass of C12. Okay, like the old concept, I can write the formula for the atomic mass. I can write here. Let's see. Atomic mass is equals to mass of an atom of an element divided by 1 by 12 mass of C12 atom. Okay, then let's go to the next topic, that is gram atomic mass or gram atom. What is gram atomic mass or gram atom? Let's take an example. We'll start with an example. That is, we know that atomic mass of nitrogen is equal to 14. Okay, you know very well that the atomic mass of nitrogen is 14. When this atomic mass will be converted into grams, that means when atomic mass of an atom expressed in gram, then that will be called gram atomic mass. Okay, atomic mass of nitrogen is 14, but gram atomic mass, let's see, gram atomic mass of nitrogen will be 14 gram. Like this we can take more examples like gram atomic mass of oxygen. Okay, here n nitrogen, I can write nitrogen, here oxygen will be 16 gram. Like this we can take more and more examples like gram atomic mass of carbon is 12 gram, gram atomic mass of chlorine is 35.5 gram. Okay, let's go to our next topic, that is, okay, wait, number of gram atoms. Okay, it is not mentioned. Our next topic is number of gram atom, that is number of gram atoms. Okay, number of gram atoms. Let's see here, what is number of gram atoms. Okay, when the gram atoms, okay, when the mass of an element is divided into the atomic mass of that element. Okay, let's suppose you have oxygen atom. Okay, but in what amount, that is, I think 64 gram of oxygen atom is given to you, and it is mentioned that find the number of gram atoms. Okay, it is number of gram atoms is nothing. Okay, it means how much oxygen atom, how much oxygen, and how many oxygens are present in a given uh, amount. Okay, let's suppose you are given by 64 grams of oxygen, and it is asking you that how many oxygens are present in this. Okay, that is number of gram atoms. Okay, first of all I will write to the formula for the number of gram atoms. After that we will calculate. Okay, for the for calculating the number of gram atoms, one formula is there. We can write here number of gram atoms will be mass of element in gram, and in the denominator part you can write here mass of one atom of that element. Okay, you can write here number of gram atoms is equal to mass of element in gram, and mass of one atom in gram, that of element. Okay, here it will be gram. Okay, we have some questions. Let's go through this. First question is, calculate the number of gram atoms in 64 grams of oxygen. That we have already discussed. Let's do. Okay, Here for calculating the number of gram atoms, first of all we should keep this formula in our mind, that for calculating the number of gram atoms, two things are needed, that is mass of oxygen and mass of one oxygen atom. Let's see here, 64 grams of oxygens are given, but we have to calculate the number of gram atoms. Okay, you can write here. Let's see here, for calculating the number of gram atoms, we took mass of element in grams. Here 64 grams are there, is there 64 grams of oxygen is given, and in the denominator part we'll take we'll place the mass of one oxygen atom, that is 16 gram. When cancel it will be got cancelled, then we got 4, that is for the number of gram atoms will be 4. Okay, let's go, and it is another question. Let's read. Calculate the mass of 3.5 gram atoms of nitrogen. Let's see. Some amount of nitrogen is given to us, and whose gram atoms is 3.5. Number of gram atom, that is number of gram atom, that is 3.5, and it was asking that how much nitrogen is providing us. So for first of all, we will go through this formula. Number of gram atoms is equal to mass of element in gram. Here, okay, let's go. If we write the number of gram atom, that is, let's see here, number of gram atoms will be mass of that element. Here mass of one atom of that element. Can write number of gram, it is given by 3.5. 3.5 is equals to mass of that element. It is not given by given to us, so you can write any variable, like let's suppose only mass m, and a mass of one atom. What is the mass of one nitrogen atom? You know already that 14. And for calculating the mass of that element, m is equal to, let's see, 14. We'll shift to the left side. Okay, 3.5 into 14. By calculating this, we can get 70, 42, 49. Okay, so 49 grams. So 49 grams of nitrogen was given to us, that we calculated. Let's go to the next questions. Calculated the number of gram atoms in 44 grams of chlorine. Here the atom is chlorine, that is first of all we should write all the data which are given. You can given, what is given, let's see, mass of chlorine. Mass of chlorine is given, that is 44 gram, and atomic mass of chlorine is, what is, the 35.5. okay, can calculate here also. Number of gram atoms will be mass of that element, that is 44. It will be divided by 35.5. okay, after calculating you can get the answer. Let's try to calculate. What will be it? 50. That will be 1.24. okay, it will be the number of gram atoms that already it is given to us. Let's go to another question. It take it as a homework. Just try to do it by yourself. If you if you will unable to find the solution, then obviously I will discuss it next class. Till then, take care. Bye bye.